Hello people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you all how to make this delicious toast bread. So if something really interested to watch, please sit back, relax and enjoy the video to the end. Okay, welcome back guys. So these are the ingredients for the toast bread I have. This is a simple recipe that I use to make my normal toast bread. Okay, so and it's perfect for breakfast. Okay, so I have the ingredients here. I have the mayonnaise, I have the margarine, I have the sorry, that's the butter. Okay, I have the shredded chicken, I have 2 eggs with me, and I have my slice of breads, and I also have my sardine. Yes, so these are the ingredients I'll be using for this toast bread. Actually, I'll be using 2 methods, or I'll be sharing 2 types of toast bread here. So the first one will be toast bread using chicken mixed with mayonnaise, and the second one will be toast bread mixed with sardine and eggs. Okay, so I am actually mixing the mayonnaise together with the chicken. So for this process you have to mix the mayonnaise properly together with the chicken.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long, it hurts too hard.
So I am going to take some slices of this bread and then apply some butter to it. Okay, so this is what you have to do first before applying whatever filling you want to use for your toast bread. So I'm applying some butter to the bread.
Fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
So when you're done applying some butter to the slice of bread, then you have to face it down into your toaster. So even if you try to forget this process, you can actually apply some vegetable oil on your toaster. So this is because you don't want the bread to get stick on your toaster machine. Okay, so I'm applying the filling, which is the chicken mayonnaise. I'm applying it on the face of the bread. Okay, so this is one important step you need to take note of. You can, like I said in the earlier of this video, if you have any other filling apart from this is fine. You can use egg sauce filling. Okay, so I'm applying a butter to the second slice of the bread. Okay, so for this particular one I'm going to face it up. I hope you guys understand what I'm doing here. I am going to face the bread up so that even when I'm done with the whole thing, the bread will not have to stick to the toasting machine. Okay, so this is my sardine. I am actually using a fork to to pieces it here. Okay, then after that I'm going to break in some eggs. I broke in 2 eggs into this sardine. I actually used just 1 full sardine for this filling, and I broke in 2 eggs. If you prefer, you can you don't have to pieces the whole of the sardine, but for this video I actually did. I think I wasn't supposed to pieces everything. I was supposed to leave some fish particles into it, but probably I forgot. So I am mixing everything together with my eggs, but the eggs is actually optional. If you don't want the eggs into it, you can forget about it and make use of the sardine. Okay, so for this toast bread I use the chicken and the sardine as well, so you can enjoy the process of this video. And while you're enjoying the process of this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. If you're new here and you're watching this video for the first time, or you're on my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up guys. Like this video. Yes, that's your one-way support for me on this channel. You can as well share this video. Okay, so guys, do enjoy the remaining parts of this video. guys, did I forget to let you all know I actually used this filling for a whole loaf of bread, like a full loaf of bread, and this filling was enough. And I come to notice that toast bread isn't as easy to make, especially if you're doing for a large quantity or for a family. Trust me guys, I feel like I feel like it's a whole job on its own. So right now I am doing the other process using the sardine filling. Okay, so it's just the same process by applying butter first and doing the rest of it. Okay, so it's just the same process guys. In this video I didn't use cheese because cheese wasn't available at my corner, so but I had to use what I have that's available at the moment for me. But trust me guys, the toast bread actually tastes so nice. So like I said before, you can use another type of filling, whereby if you know how to do egg sauce, that's fine. After making your egg sauce, then if you want chicken, you can put chicken on top of the egg sauce and then put your cheese, and then you make your toast bread. So if you want to make toast bread, you just have to be creative in different ways. Toast bread is perfect for breakfast, and I hope this gives you an inspiration to prepare breakfast for your family. So guys, I am done, and my bread is ready to get toasted or to get toast, whichever one. So you can see the smoke coming out to tell you that my toast bread is getting ready. And ta-da guys, just check out this toast bread. This is so lovely and delicious. Like, my kids just really can't wait to dive into this yummy toast bread. Can you see guys? So please, once again, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, or if you learned one or two things here, please kindly give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, prefer your friends, share my YouTube link to your friends so that they can come here and watch some educational content on this channel. I always love my toast bread to be brown a bit, not the one that will get burnt too, but I love my toast bread to come out this brown. So guys, this is it here, and it's ready for enjoyment, or ready for our breakfast. Okay, so let's see how the inside is. Wow, this is so super amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in my next video. Bye guys.